Welcome to Primo RV Center and a wonderful way to start out your camping life. This is a 2021 187RB, one of our all-time best sellers here at Primo. We've carried the Nano series since its inception, and this iteration, kind of 2021, kind of moving forward really right into 2026, these versions are going to have the feel of a lot of the very brand new units out in the market. So they transition to a nice cap with a very large window here at the front. Some of the things that have always made it extremely popular, size and weight. So this comes in at about 3,250 pounds. So it's very towable by a wide range of SUVs. And then tip to tail, it's 21.5 feet, but the body is under 19 feet. So when you're kind of booking campsites, you can kind of end up getting access to those smallest sites. So you get things like waterfront sites, fits well in driveways. So it's just overall size, weight, features, and ease of use. People have just absolutely loved it. And we were very happy to have this unit returned to us. So this was a unit that was bought here in 2021, and then we had maintained it through the years for the client, and they've now just moved up to a larger unit. So excited for them, but I'm also very excited to be able to offer this one to hopefully somebody maybe just starting out, or if you're moving up from, say, something like a tent trailer. This would be a natural transition, something where you could take the same sites they've always loved. So let's start up front here. Originally, we would have put on the power jack here, so not a standard feature from Nano, but something that we had done. We would have brought the off-grid package in at that time as an option. Now it is a standard feature. So what that offers you is the 2 tanks here on the front. You've got some charging for a variety of devices inside and in the front compartment, and then you have a 100-watt solar panel on the roof, which you could expand if you think you want to. There are also other options here we can talk to you about better batteries, but also doing solar off the front, which a lot of times in a shaded campsite will be very handy. So 2 20-pound tanks here under the cover, lots of room for multiple batteries, really nice high stone guard here. You've got LED lights facing forward. Should talk about some of the things we do. So we do not sell used units as is. They are fully serviced. In this case, if the tires had been, say, 5 years old, they would be replaced. The owner actually replaced the tires just last season. So these have 4 more years to go here. So you've got a long life on those. But before the new owner takes possession, we'll do brakes, bearings, reseal the roof, reseal, again, any caulking that needs attention. So it is all the detectors, if they're past the 3-year mark, they get changed out, which in this case I know we've done. So it's a tip to tail gas recertification. Nothing sort of doesn't go sort of unmaintained in terms of the systems that need to be checked and then gone through. And then we spend about an hour and a half with you going through on the orientation, showing you that everything does indeed work and how it works, so you know exactly how to use things properly. So we only sell something here that is going to be in great shape to start with. So we have gone through the coach, made sure there's no water infiltration, made sure everything's are working, and then we go through and do all the maintenance that needs to be done. So for this upcoming season, basically there's nothing left to do this year other than, say, winterization, if you're kind of under, say, 5,000 miles that you've done on it, and then next year you're more into basic maintenance. But it's a wonderful example of how you take care of a used unit over time, and something that I think a new owner will absolutely love. You've got pass-through storage here all the way through. I mentioned charging stations, so you've got a couple of USBs, but you also have a 12-volt outlet. So if you want to have, say, a little cooler out here, a little plug-in cooler or any other device, gives you some options. And then you're going to have a couple of those on either side of the bed. They're very handy, especially if you happen to have a CPAP machine. And if you do, just talk to us about it, because we'll make sure that you have the right battery levels and solar and all that kind of stuff if you're going to be doing some off-grid and then want to be able to use that. But it's got a great start. Love the fact here that they start the awning right at the compartment door and then extend that right past the other door to just within a couple feet of the back. You've got exterior speakers here, so you've got outdoor entertainment. The awning's going to come out a full 8 feet here. You've got the modern steps here that you can dial in, so if you've got uneven terrain, you can adjust the feet, so make sure that the steps are nice and level. So again, very similar to what is currently being offered. So again, very modern, very up to date. You've got 4 oversized jacks here, so with these down, really is not moving. And then we've got outlet on this side. We've got our spare tire here in the back. And again, no slide out on this unit, so very easy to set up, and everything is kind of in its place and ready to use. So if you're coming in late at night, it's a very easy unit to use. So city water connection here, should you have it. You have a black tank flush, which helps to keep that black tank sensor clean. Outdoor shower, so hot and cold water. You've got the traditional water tank, which people still love, which is either you can choose either propane or electric. 30 amp service here if you want to be able to use your AC. If you didn't want to use the AC, you'd have an adapter that we'll include for you that would allow you to dumb that down to just a household outlet. You've got the kind of last iterations of the propane electric fridge, so very popular still. A lot of people absolutely love those units. So they tend to sip power a little easier, so you don't use as much power to keep the fridge cold as say the modern ones do. So nice big windows that correspond to each other on either side. We've got the emergency exit window here. We've got our water fill here for you. You're going to have kind of 30-gallon tanks across the board through here. So you've got nice tank sizes for a smaller unit, something that a lot of units in its size just don't have the capacity for. But I know everyone's always interested in the inside, so let's head on in here. So one of the nice features about our reconditioning program is you do get a full brand new mattress, primary mattress here, and it is much better than you would have gotten from the factory originally, so much more comfortable, very plush here. So I mentioned outlets, so we've got, again, that same ability to plug in 12 volts, so think CPAP machine, as well as you have USB connections and 120 volt there. Great storage under the bed, so it's about a 50-50 split with that front compartment. Huge window here that lets in a lot of light, as you can see, but the shade halfway down, so you can block that out in the morning if you wish. When it's nice and sunny, you've got that cross ventilation, that emergency exit window, storage here for you for hanging storage. There's also bulk storage here as well. And then just to our left, you do have a secondary bed. So if you want to take someone with you, whether it be an adult or grandchild, easy to pop this down. Something that people absolutely love and don't necessarily think about initially is when you're at your campsite, everybody loves to have the dinette on the door side. That way you can look onto your campsite if it's a night that's not particularly nice, or again, if the bugs are out and you just want to watch the fire, you can do that from the inside and you're not having to look at your neighbors. So something that, again, people love here. Great storage above the dinette, good spot for media and things like that. We've got a Bluetooth connection for the stereo system here for inside and outside speakers, and you can kind of choose which ones are on. Nice big airflow here in the middle, like I said, corresponding windows. Great kitchen. So this was kind of in 2020 was the first year where they finally started undermounting everything. So they have a great kitchen here with a lot of space to prep here on the top. So you've got your drop-in sink lid on this huge stainless steel sink, nice high-rise faucet, easy to fill a pot. 2-burner stove here for you. We have our microwave, again, lots of storage for pots, pans, cutlery, everything below there, and then central furnace. So when it is a cool night, very quick with it in the middle to warm it up, give it 10 minutes. It'll be toasty warm in here. And same thing with the air conditioning, give it 10 minutes. Being a central air, it's going to be nice and cool in here. If you're off-grid, you have the ability here to turn on the fan here. It's going to be an out fan, so a 3-speed out fan. You could cover that with a vent as well. And then again, if you're away for the day, leave the windows open here a bit and then get that cool air flowing through so it never gets too hot in here if you're off-grid. We've got our propane electric fridge here, so it's a 6 cubic foot fridge, very traditional size, and works very, very well. I have one that's much older than this and has never needed maintenance, so they're kind of the tried and true for those that wish to be off-grid. You've got great pantry storage here, or you could use it for anything else, and then some additional pantry storage up top as well, and then great dish storage here in your kitchen. We've got our ignition here for our furnace, just as we enter. We do have an outlet at the dinette as well, so that way you can work there if you wish. Plug in a toaster, plug in a coffee maker, you name it. People always love the storage in the back bathroom here, so you've got a great place to be able to stash towels, additional clothing, you name it, depending on the lengths of your trips. Lots of room here in the bathroom as well. Even if you're taller, you're going to have some leg room here. And you've got the ability to plug in devices like hair dryers. So you've got storage in the basin here in the vanity, and a great medicine cabinet. We do have a vent cover here as well over top of the bathroom vent, so you can leave that one open all the time. And lots of hooks on the wall for, again, hanging the natural things with towels you're going to want to. You've got your monitor panel back here showing you how full your tanks are, your ignition for your water pump, and then these are the 2 ignitions for your hot water tank. So you've got propane and electric. And then we've got our skylight here that's going to raise that height so that if you're a bit taller, again, you're going to have some headroom in there, but nice 30-inch width there to work with. So very comfortable if you end up being not necessarily somewhere where you're serviced. And again, you can carry 30 gallons of water here, so you'd have a lot to get through a long weekend and enjoy yourself, whether it be at someone's cottage, in a campsite, you name it. It's a size that will fit in so many different areas here, and one we wish we got more of, especially in this condition. We just don't. So certainly if it's something of interest, please reach out right away, and we can just let you know if it's still available.